Hi, I'm Laurence Marsland. I'm the Managing Director of Titan Minerals Limited. Titan's purely focused on Ecuador. We have 5 main projects there, or 5 projects at the moment. We have the Dynasty Gold project, which is an epithermal vein corridor. These are porphyry related, but it has a 2.1 million ounce foreign resource of about 4.5 grams. Which we're currently drilling to confirm that resource. We have the Duke project, which is a multi-phase copper-gold project. It's a very big asset and regarded as potentially a tier 1 asset. We have the Linderos project, which is a porphyry, a very large porphyry. We've mapped that system to be over 1 kilometre in diameter at the moment. It's associated with a high sulfidation gold system, which is returning some very interesting results. We also have an exploration property called Copperfield, and we have another project called Jerusalem, which is a high-grade epithermal vein deposit. And they're the 5 main assets that we have. What we're doing at the moment is we're doing a drill out of the existing resource, which is a foreign resource. The point of doing that is confirming what's there and converting that to a JORC standard. And the point being, we need to generate a greater data density in the mineralisation that's currently being put into a foreign resource. And once that's JORC compliant, we'll issue it. And I think that's something that our shareholders are keen to see. Because of COVID and various issues in country, we've had to delay it, but we're working towards it. And we're currently finishing the drill program at Cerro Verde and Dynasty, and hopefully we can come out with a resource pretty soon. We have a pretty big team in country. We've got a geologist in country, Mike Skeed, who's our geologist. We've got a team of local geologists. We employ about 140 people at the moment. We've got CSR team, very good people. We've had some issues earlier on getting access to some of the ground, but we've managed to generate some very, very positive support in the community, and I think that the social licence that we're developing will be critical to us going forward. We've got an excellent government relations guy in country who's helped us out very well. Since we did the acquisition of Core Gold, which is where we got all the projects from, we've restructured the business, and Freddie has done an excellent job in helping with that. We have Peter Cook as our chairman. Peter recently joined the board. He was the managing director and chairman of Westgold. He's now moved to non-executive chairman of Westgold and took the job with us in September. Also, Barry Bourne is on our board. He's a well-regarded geologist and geophysicist who actually did all the geophysics work on both Dynasty and Copper Duke earlier this year. So we've got a pretty strong team, and everybody's working hard towards trying to finalise the resource that we've been trying to put together over the last 12 months. I think that Ecuador is a really prospective mining destination. I think the geology of the country is going to produce some very, very exciting projects. I think there's definitely the potential to see a number of world-class assets come out of the ground there. Our projects are very prospective. I think what's really exciting is the potential scale of them. The systems we're looking at are very large. Dynasty, for example, is 9 kilometres long. It's a vein corridor 9 kilometres long. These are very big systems. So I think from an investor's point of view, Titan, I think, is a good opportunity at the moment. And I think if we produce a JORC resource that we expect, we're trading for about half our market capitalisation based upon similar projects that are listed on the ASX, and the rest of the assets are really unpriced into the stock price. I think the political situation in Ecuador is very positive at the moment. The mining code's in good shape, and I think the government of Lasso is really pro-mining. I think there's an opportunity to move projects forward and build a positive mining industry in Ecuador over the next 5 to 7 years. I think the one-to-one format is a very, very good format. We market our company through one-to-one, and we're very pleased with it. I think from the conversations I've had with colleagues in the industry, from the inception of it, it was always regarded as the way to go. So we really enjoy doing the one-to-one, and we'll continue to do so.